Welcome to Olga's Cookbook. Today's recipe is definitely one of the most sought out dishes while you go out to a restaurant. And that is what you know? It is tandoori chicken. As we are doing the Christmas series, I thought of why not try tandoori chicken. Most of them do believe that it is impossible to make tandoori chicken at India kitchen, but it's not like that. Only thing we need to get is the marination done properly. We should give the sufficient time required for marinating it. Once that is done, you can always make it even onto your tawa. Tawa can do the wonders. If at all, if you have a grill pan, that would also be perfect. So do not even think that if you do not have a tandoor or an oven, you cannot make tandoori chicken, because where there is a will, there is a way. As you know, we are doing tandoori chicken, so definitely I need cleaned and washed and dried chicken. It needs to have no water content. That is the main intention of saying it should be cleaned, washed and dried. Okay, otherwise the mixture or the masala which we are going to make for this tandoori chicken, it will become soggy. Okay, so we want it properly marinated. So I've taken 1 kg of chicken, around 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, garam masala powder, a lemon and 2 teaspoons of yogurt or curd, which is hung. We do not want any water to be in the yogurt also. And this is to give an additional flavor, and that's kasuri methi. A teaspoon of it is required. Along with that, the main ingredient that gives the red color is the Kashmiri chili powder, which we will require around 3 to 4 tablespoons. It is this which is going to give it the red color. We are not going to add any additional color, but this red Kashmiri chili powder will do the needful. Along with that, we'll require a pinch of haldi and half a teaspoon of coriander powder. Let's begin with the first marination. For that, I will take 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now for this, I have taken 1 big inch of ginger and around 7 to 8 garlic pods. Okay, I have ground it into a fine paste without adding much water. 2 teaspoons will do the needful. To that, we will add around half a teaspoon of salt. It is as per your requirement, you should add it, and mix it well onto the chicken pieces. I have marinated this properly so that the ginger garlic paste and the salt is totally going into the gashes which I have made on the chicken. Gashes are the slits given on the meat so that the masala or the spices get deeply penetrated. After marinating with the first marination, that is of ginger garlic, we have to keep this inside the refrigerator for next 15 minutes. Now that our chicken has been marinated for the past 15 minutes and it was lying in my fridge, now is the time to make the second marination. Now the second marination is made out of your yogurt, which was hung for some time, so that there is no water content. Okay, this is 2 tablespoons of hung yogurt. Now that we have added yogurt or curd, we will add the next main ingredients, that is around 4 tablespoons of Kashmiri chili powder. This Kashmiri chili powder is not at all spicy. It has got a good color. So 4 tablespoons will not be a problem. Won't add to the spice. Now a small pinch of turmeric and a small pinch of salt, because we have already marinated the chicken with salt while we did the first marination. around 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half a teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Please crush it and use it. It gives a beautiful flavor to the tandoori chicken. Half a lemon, mix it all properly onto the chicken pieces so that every bit of spice which we had added should go deep into the chicken gashes which we had made. Now that I have marinated the entire chicken, this has to go into the refrigerator for another 2 hours. It is preferable and advisable to have it kept in the refrigerator for the next 2 hours. If you can do this overnight and keep, it would give you better results, because the lemon that will react to the protein in the chicken and make it very tender, and that will quickly grill your chicken. So the tender chicken will get it grilled very fast. So it's always advisable, if you are planning to do tandoori chicken the next day, do it overnight, the marination. So that will definitely give a very beautiful taste and juicy tandoori chicken for you. Now that our chicken has been marinated for the past 2 hours, this is the time to add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use mustard oil, or you can even use any refined oil for this purpose. For this, you should never ever try coconut oil, because this is a North Indian preparation and it goes well with any refined oil other than coconut oil. Now mix it well and our chicken is ready to get grilled. I have taken here a grill pan to grill the chicken pieces. However, you can do the same in the oven also. But what happens in the oven is there are chances of it not getting cooked. So I prefer using this grill pan. Onto the grill pan, I will add around 2 tablespoons of oil. Let the grill pan be really hot. When you put onto the chicken pieces, you should actually get to hear the sizzle. This is the right temperature on which the chicken has to be grilled. Now that the chicken has been grilling, we will turn it and see how the grill mark has come onto the chicken. Now this is very important, because when you cook on high heat, what happens is the chicken outer covering gets grilled and the juices within the chicken will remain inside. Only then our chicken pieces, once it is done, will also be soft from the inside. Now that I have turned all the pieces, now cook this on medium heat for another 15 minutes. Now that the chicken tandoori is ready, we can garnish it with some coriander leaves and add a dash of lime, and that would be perfect. Yes, you can have this with any sorts of bread, or you can even use it as a starter. I hope you loved this recipe, and definitely you would give it a try next time when you think of tandoori chicken. Thank you for watching Olga's Cookbook with Bindu Olga. See you soon with another mouth-watering delicacy next time.